Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Elmira San Diego. I am 43 years old. I am single mother. I have one son. He is 16 years old, and I am a Filipino. My work experience are worked on Lebanon for 3 years, 2002 to 2005. I took care 3 kids, 5, 7, and 9. I do cleaning, ironing, washing, and laundry. I also worked in Saudi for 2010 to 2013. I took care 3 kids, 5, 7, and 9. I do cleaning, ironing, cooking. I also, the last is work in Hong Kong for 2016 to 2023. I took care 2 kids, 5 and 7. I do cooking, laundry, ironing, and marketing. I want to work abroad again because I want to give the needs of my son. I want to finish and support his studies and give a better future for his life. That's why I want to sacrifice again on work on overseas, hoping to find a good employer, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you.